Hey guys, Johnny Time here, and I'm glad to be here in your meetup as your expert and sharing with you some insights of how to stay safe in Web3 as a beginner. So I'm honored to be your expert and share with you these insights. Now let's get started. We're gonna talk about why we need to stay safe in Web3. I will give you also a short intro about myself, my background, and then I will share with you 5 different tips of how to stay safe with Web3. So Web3 is awesome. We have Bitcoin, Ethereum, we can send transactions all over the world with small fees. We have NFTs in OpenSea, DeFi protocols, Aave, Uniswap, MetaMask, custodial wallets, so many awesome things. But with that said, we have a lot of scams and hacks that are making bad names for blockchain and for Web3. And basically the nature of this Web3 that it's new, and obviously you have a lot of bad people, bad actors that are trying to get leverage of it and scam people and hurt them. And the thing with blockchains is that once scam or hack happens, then you cannot get your money back, because the blockchain is not like a database in the bank where you can simply, it's centralized and you can change it and revert the state to the previous state, so you can return the money in the digital system to the owner. The blockchain is always moving on and it's decentralized. So once a scam or hack happened, it's irreversible. We cannot get it back to the initial state. So how do we stay safe? How do we protect ourselves from these scams and hack? Let's share 5 tips. But before we start, who I am Johnny Time. I own a YouTube channel with 18K subscribers, and I'm technical content creator and educator in the space. I have 12 years of traditional cyber security experience in the military and private sector as well. And I'm dedicating all my time recently for Web3 and DeFi. So I became a DeFi pro since 2020, and I focus now even more on blockchain and DeFi security. That's why I founded Ginger Security, which is smart contract security firm that consults companies of how to build secure systems and smart contracts. I'm also the creator of the smart contract hacking course, and I'm proud to say that we already trained more than 700 people to become a cybersecurity white hat warriors in the Web3 space, and they are helping to make this space better, safer, and more secure. Now, the first tip that I want to share with you is to guard with your life your seed or recovery phrase. Your seed and recovery phrase is everything. Your wallet is dependent on it. Your money is dependent on it. It's like your password to your bank account, but it's even more, because if you lose your password to your bank account, you can recover it. You can call the customer support or answer some questions, and then you get a new password. But when you lose your seed phrase, this kind of 12 or 24 words, that's it. Your money is gone. On the other side, if someone gets control of your seed phrase, recovery phrase, then he can possess all the accounts and control all your accounts and steal all your money. So the first tip is guard your seed phrase like it's your life. This is how seed phrase look like. Sometimes it's 12 words or sometimes it's 25 words. Depends if you have a software wallet like MetaMask or a hardware wallet like Ledger or Trezor. And this is the most important thing. You need to remember these words in the right order and keep them in a safe way. So make sure you don't lose it, you don't share it with anyone, and never submit it to any website and in general to anyone. Now, as you can see, there are plenty of scammers out there that are trying to make people submit their recovery phrase or seed phrase. Also, they try to get Ledger recovery phrases and MetaMask recovery phrases. And these scams are all over Twitter, even in Google. When you search for some legitimate website, you'll get to this scammy website in Discord. So you need to always be aware of it, that your seed phrase is everything and you should never share it with anyone. The second tip is be aware of seed phrase phishing and phishing websites, because this is the most important thing. We already know that we are not want to share it, but the thing is that there are some websites that are trying to impersonate legitimate website. For example, we search in Google for the term Phantom. Phantom is a legitimate wallet for Solana blockchain, but as we can see here, sometimes those hackers are doing malicious Google ads. So when you search for legitimate products, the first website that will appear, the ad, the sponsored one, will be a phishing website. And as you can see here, the original website is phantom.app, but this is a phishing website that looks like phantom.app. If you will notice, it's phantom.app. And they are paying Google to promote their website, this fishy website that once you enter, they're probably gonna ask for your seed phrase and recovery phrase. And once you submit it to the website because you think it's a legitimate wallet, then they're gonna steal all your money and you lost it forever. So be aware of these scammy website phishing websites. Also, this is another example where you get a scam email, phishing email, that they are pretending to be MetaMask support. They are scaring you. They are making you scared that your MetaMask wallet is gonna be suspended, even though it cannot be suspended because it's not like a bank account, it's decentralized. And here they put a link to verify your MetaMask, but it's again another phishing website that's gonna look like MetaMask, but its all purpose is getting from you your recovery phrase. This is another example. PancakeSwap is the biggest DeFi application on Binance chain, and here it's a fake website that looks like PancakeSwap, and this is some kind of pop-up that they made that look like MetaMask, but they are just gonna ask from you the wallet seed phrase to hack your wallet. So never submit your seed phrase. Another common phishing attack and scam that's going on is approval phishing. So tokens, we have tokens in blockchains, and tokens could be fungible tokens or non-fungible tokens like NFTs. And one of the features of tokens is that you can approve another account to spend your token. This feature was created so smart contracts can spend your tokens, and you can basically do some kind of operations with smart contracts, but attackers are taking advantage of this feature, so you will approve them to spend your tokens. And this is something that you don't want to do, because if you approve them to spend your ERC20 or fungible tokens, they can steal your tokens. If you approve them to spend your NFT, they can steal your NFT even though it's in your wallet. Even if the Bored Ape Yacht Club, the Bored Ape is in your wallet, if you approve them to spend your ape, they will be able to withdraw the ape from your wallet. And these scams are coming again in all kinds of forms. They're basically trying to offer you airdrops and gifts and NFTs for free, but actually these websites are malicious, and they will try to make you approve them to spend your tokens. This is another example with AVAX airdrop. There is no AVAX airdrop. This is a malicious website. This is how the website looks on the right. You click connect wallet, and this is another example. They're gonna check if your wallet owns any NFTs or tokens. In my case, I don't own. This is a brand new wallet. I just wanted to take a screenshot, and I don't own any NFTs. So they just tell me that my wallet is not eligible because they don't have anything to take from my wallet. But if I had something on my wallet, like a NFT, a Bored Ape Yacht Club, then when I click connect wallet, this pop-up on my MetaMask account would pop up to ask me to approve to access to all my tokens. And this is how they do it. So you go to their malicious website, you claim your airdrop, but instead they're triggering a transaction that will allow them to steal your NFTs or your fungible tokens. So be aware of all these kind of airdrop websites, of all these kind of NFT airdrops. Most of the times it's going to be scams, and make sure that you're not approving any malicious account to spend your tokens. Another tip to stay safe in Web3 and blockchain is wallet diversification. And this is key tip, especially if you own big amount of money in crypto. So we have software wallet and hardware wallets. Software wallets are less secure because they are connected to the internet and they can easily get hacked, unlike hardware wallet, which are not connected to the internet. Your seed phrase, your private keys are not stored in the memory or the storage of the computer, but on an external dedicated device. Usually, if you have big amount of money, it's better to store it in hardware wallets. If you have a lot of Bitcoin or Ethereum or stable coins, always get yourself a Ledger or a Trezor. You can also use the link in the description if you're watching this on YouTube, and use my affiliate link to get a better price for Ledger or Trezor, and I will get some kind of small commission for the purchase. you will pay a lower price and I will get some commission. So it's win-win situation. So you always need to have hardware wallet if you're considering to hold a lot of money in crypto. And the more money you have, you want to diversify and create different wallets. You don't want to put all your eggs in one basket. So in case one basket get lost, you got all your eggs are broken, but you just lost partial amount of your money, not all your money. So if you have big capital, put it in separate hardware wallets. If you have small capital, some capital that is small for you, it might be $100, might be $1,000, $5,000. Then you can hold it in software wallets or hot wallets like MetaMask, like mobile wallets, like Trust, SafePal. All these kind of apps are awesome for small amounts, not for big amounts of money. It really depends on your usage and your risk assessment. And I highly recommend you to diversify your wallets, software and hardware wallets. And the last and the best tip is that if it's too good to be true, it's probably bad. It's not good. Always be suspicious. Be paranoid about everyone that offers you a quick money, because do you want quick money? Everyone wants quick money. Do you want a bot that makes trades for you while you sleep, that makes money while you sleep? You want a Lambo, a Maserati? Everyone wants these kind of things. And basically scammers know that you and everyone else want this thing, so they leverage it. They promise you false promises by use this contract to have a lot of money, mint free money, get free money. And if it's too good to be true, remember, it's probably bad. And here is an example. If we go and search in YouTube Uniswap bot or arbitrage bot or liquidity bot, because we want to learn how to get our own bot that will make us money while we sleep, all these videos that we see on the first results are scams. These are scams, complete scams. And these are just videos that are recorded by bots or something, and they show you how they make money. But what they do is simply they guide you through giving them your money. So they will tell you to copy some Solidity code to Remix and then deploy a contract, then send money to this contract, send Ether to this contract. And basically after 1 hour, this money will be doubled. But this whole contract that you're copying to Remix, deploying and sending money to, it's contract that all its purpose is to send your money that you sent to the contract to the malicious attacker that made this video. So it's very sophisticated scam, and they steal thousands and thousands of dollars. And I made another video that I explain in depth in my YouTube channel about how this scam works and how these scammers are stealing sometimes even millions of dollars from victims. So if you want to learn more about it, check out my channel, Johnny Time on YouTube. But this is very sophisticated and interesting scam. And remember, if it's too good to be true, it's probably bad. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoy this content and you learn something new, and I hope you will stay safe in Web3 security. Remember, it's an awesome space, but it has some dangers that you need to be aware of. Thank you. I was Johnny, and I will see you the next time. Bye-bye.